I got caught into a machine and it grabbed my jacket and pretty much ripped my arm off at January 9th, 2014, and at 6:30 in the morning. Almost 3 weeks. I was sitting on the bed Facebooking, and I just had a notion because they accused me of talking on the telephone while I was working, and I never do that. And so I Googled, and y'all was the first name that popped up, and I went with it. I mean, it was like, let's go with it. Yes, sir. When I first started, I had nobody, no medicine, no nothing. Y'all guys come in and help me out greatly. Yes, Dr. Clay. I went to Dr. Clay. Y'all hooked me up with him, and ever since then, I mean, it's not made it completely right, but life's been a lot easier having the care I've got. Yes, sir. I was very happy. Yes, Dr. Meck is doing a wonderful job. She's helped me through the hard times that I had when I first had the accident, because I didn't know how to deal with it, and it's been a lot better. Yeah, I got a new arm. I got a new arm, and yeah, it works wonderful. It's done had 2 upgrades, so, and I like it. Reason I ain't got it on now is it's just being worked on. Yes, sir. I'm very happy. Yes, sir. I've actually done sent a couple, and y'all told them where to go and stuff. So I do recommend people to you guys.